Yes, hello everyone, welcome to my next Famite video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm going to show you how to turn your Wi-Fi on and of course off for this HP-15 laptop. So as you can see, I have a list of Wi-Fi that are available now, and the key that is marked F12, you will see an aeroplane sign. Now that's the key that's actually turn your Wi-Fi on and off. Presently, as you can see, Wi-Fi is off. Press the button again or that key, Wi-Fi is actually on. And again guys, the reason for me doing this video is simply because somebody can accidentally press that F12 key like that and it just turn off your Wi-Fi, and you basically don't know why it is actually off. So sometimes your Wi-Fi is not working on your laptop. It is basically for that reason. So F12, that's the key that turn your Wi-Fi on and off, or it actually switch between airplane mode and the Wi-Fi mode. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Family Tech is out of here.